Hello again. This is your take-home cuisine at your service. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? From this to this. With your leftover meat, wash her eggplant, then slice it with a peeler, just like this. Any protein will do, okay? Not just leftover, okay? Even fresh meat can do this, but grind it first, okay? Add egg, salt, pepper, cornstarch, and MSG. Hala na naman. Just like this. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Then, properly spread the meat to the slice eggplant, just like this. Then roll it. So easy. No need to add toothpick. Then from separate bowl, let's add 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of cornstarch, curry powder, pepper, salt, and a little bit of yum. Add water, mix well. Then, if it's the right consistency, it's okay. Then fire on the whole. Add a deep amount of water, oil for frying. Then cover the eggplant both sides so that the meat will not come out. No, it's done. Just like that. Okay.